Hi everyone, I just finished filming one video and it is a makeup look. I did this makeup and obviously it is a summer makeup look, but it is a special one because I did a voiceover in Korean. So yeah, if you haven't watched that yet, it should be in the card right over here. I've also just taken some photos of the top that I'm wearing because this top is new and it's from Eggy's new collection and it's the summer collection. So previously I did a review on the festival collection, like the pieces that I got, so I thought I would do a review of the summer pieces that I got as well. So yeah, it should be up as well, so I'll put the link in the description box. So yeah, I'm feeling extremely tired right now. I didn't have a good sleep and I woke up early to the gym, and just since morning I have been like hustling. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill and like clear my room first. Look at how yellow this mango is. So excited. Mango is one of my favorite fruit in the world. I need to end the recording with my dirty hand. Good morning everybody. Today is the 15th of June and it is a public holiday, so I'm up. I have been up since 7:15. It's currently 7:50. So yeah, so as you can see, I've already washed up and putting a mask. So yeah, I woke up for two reasons. This is my usual waking up time and I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna make breakfast, I guess. I don't know what to eat, but yeah, I'm just gonna see what is available at home. And yeah, I'm actually really tired, but I realized that I couldn't fall asleep again, so I'm just really hungry. So basically the current plan is I am going to find breakfast and then I'm going to do my hair and makeup because I need to film, and then I will be heading out tonight. I will be celebrating Father's Day with my boyfriend's dad. So yeah, that's the plan. And then tomorrow we will be celebrating Father's Day with my dad. You know you're Asian or Singaporean when you have a drawer full of instant noodles. I think I'm going to have this. Oh my god, this is the very first time this has happened. It didn't come with the seasoning. It only came with this, which is like oil. So yeah, I need to open another packet. It's supposed to come with this. So I usually don't use the oil because it's just to help make the noodles like smoother, but I don't need that and it's extra calories, so I don't. You know how YouTubers, when they always show you like what they have for breakfast, it's always like a yogurt, a acai bowl, smoothie, something like that, something healthy, or like a bagel, like a sandwich or something. And here I am eating mee pok dry for breakfast. Hi guys, 4 hours has passed since the last time I saw you guys. I have finished filming my videos. Well, not really, I haven't filmed the product shots, but I finished filming the talking portions, and yeah, I am hungry again, so I'm just going to quickly film the product shots and then I'm going to pack up and head to my boyfriend's place. Hopefully gonna get some edit done, but yeah, I'm just gonna head there because we're heading out tonight. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys something. I have recently learned how to play I Need You on the piano. I've only learned like the first part, so I'm just gonna show you what I've learned. I actually haven't practiced in a week, so I'm definitely going to make a ton of mistakes. So where can I put you guys? Here? 어떻게 하면 돼요? 그렇게 하면 안 돼요. 이렇게 개인적인 질문을 하지 마세요. 야구는 어디 있는지 아세요? 야구는 어디 있는지 알아요. 야구는 어디인지 몰라요. I am currently reading this book that I just got a couple of days ago. It's called The Essential Korean Grammar Book. So last week I uploaded my Korean voiceover makeup tutorial, and it actually went down pretty well. Like, I received a lot of motivating, encouraging comments. So yeah, I really want to improve my Korean, so I got this. I think my vocab is not too bad, but the thing that I suck the most at is definitely grammar, so got this to study. Finished filming the product shots, got some swatches done. I've changed. I'm wearing my favorite summer top at the moment from Eggy. So now I'm just going to continue packing and then head out for lunch. Okay. Okay. Then you go inside that room and close the door. Go. I haven't changed my. Go, go, go. Just pretend. Go. No, 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 more. Go in the meeting room. Go. Wait, just close and stay inside for 5 seconds. Yeah. Sounds good. It's really why would you like that? The right already woke up. I don't know. I woke up already. Then he can't sleep.
I think we're relatively okay. I mean, the impact 100% of the is still controllable. But we'll see later what will happen.
Hi everyone, today is a Sunday. It is the 17th. Yeah, it is the 17th of June, and I have just done my hair and makeup because I'm heading out today. We're heading shopping, so it's still quite early. I just had brunch, I guess. But yeah, it's still quite early, so I'm hoping to get some edit done before we leave the house. So yeah, heading out today. walk down the escalator.
3, 2, 1.
Hi.
Will be your MC for today.
我们是今天的诗字。不要怕啦。
maybe 你报道可以。我找了。
还没有人不评他。
就是不给他当这个会带上。
没有出来看那你弄这个。
有啊，给吹跑了。
You know it's going in like 飞鸿。还有。我知道了。
For the second toast, we'd like to wish Sion and
This is the over day.
Hi everyone, I just finished my gym session. I was supposed to head to Zumba this morning, but I was feeling really sick last night and I slept really late because we caught Jurassic World last night, so I didn't manage to wake up, so I cancelled my class and I only managed to head to the gym right now, which is like late afternoon. So I just finished my gym session and it's 5:22, so I am going to head home right now.